Hi kids, welcome back to my channel. Today we are building this Minecraft wolf house. 312 pieces. The number is 21261, and on the behind you can see that the wolf house can get angry if it wants to. And of course there's some wolves. I brought this Lego from Lego Land Shop. And on the side, you'll see there is a human and two skeletons, two wolves. Now let's get opening. But first I'm zooming in. There is 3 bags that you will find. First bag and second with the third. I think I am very excited to build. So let's start with the number 1. Open. The box here goes away again, Pia. Okay, now we'll use the construction menu. We are done with the human, but if you cannot see, I will zoom in for you. So that's only the beginning, but let's build the wolf now. This is the first wolf. Now we're going to the baby wolf. This is what we built on. On the behind, you will see a treasure chest. And it can fall down easily. On the front, you'll see the human that owns the house, and some skeletons trying to attack the house. And of course, there's some wolves and a knight for the house. And there's a tree. And this wolf house can get angry if it wants to. And inside the treasure chest, you'll find some bones and a fruit. If you liked my channel, please press on the subscribe button. It's the end of today's video. Bye kids!